Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to reset the camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the video mode, but it does not really matter on which mode you will be because we have to enter the general settings. Before we'll do that, I hope that you can see the green lines I've applied before I've started the recording. It is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so basically they should disappear after the whole operation. So all we have to do right now is to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and now let's tap on More Settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find this reset option and tap on it and then confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked because we've got the privacy statement, which is the very first thing that will appear when you're opening the camera, also for the very first time. So of course give the permissions, and the second evidence, we do not have the green lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset the settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.